All right, so the topic here is possible consolidation of two priorities. And so what we're talking about here are the center priorities that are listed on our website. There are 11 of them, and these were developed by the advisory in a consultation with the advisory committee said quite a few years ago in Denver, Colorado at our advisory committee meeting. So the two priorities that I'd like to discuss are the biological control of pests, where pests in this case are insects, weeds, disease, and vertebrates, and then also the priority area of ecosystem services, and this is using IPM to protect and promote ecosystem services in managed and natural landscapes. So ecosystem services are biological or ecological processes that either directly or indirectly benefit us. There are examples of these that we're all well familiar with. Pollination and pollinator services is one that has been in the news quite a bit recently. And then microbial processes that sequester carbon, of course, is another example. But one example of an ecosystem service is biological control. And this is really along the lines of the enemy of my enemy is my friend. And so what we're talking about here is we're talking about predators or parasites that wind up impacting some of the pests that affect our agricultural production systems. So if we have what we often refer to as a natural enemy that will in fact reduce the population and hence the pressure of some pest species, then that benefits us directly. And so the question that I have for the advisory committee here is, does biological control need to be continued to be called out as a separate priority, or can it be lumped into the ecosystem services priority area?